course, the job is never done. So, right now I am backing up data. We always want to back up our data, okay? I should have been doing it last night. Had some problems with my computer. It's ancient actually, but we are getting it done now. So I backed up the video, now I'm backing up the photos, and I should be good there. Then I'm heading out. But what I want to tell you all, do not judge T-Man, because this is probably one of the worst last minute hotels that I have ever gotten. I can't believe it. I never really planned to get a hotel before I come, so I'm always in a situation where I'm getting a hotel the night that I need the hotel. So I'm gonna take you on a tour, but again, don't judge me. This is what I ran into last night when I got to the hotel. Check it out. Check it out. As you can see, you don't even have to look at the inside living quarters, okay, to know what I am dealing with. As you can see behind me, I think this is actually a place where a lot of people actually stay. So that's why it is like this. It's a new day. So let's get to it. Day 2, content creation in Florida. We picked up. All right, so last night it was just kind of like, those actually were like outfits that we kind of really didn't plan for them. So today is actually the day where we really have the outfits, and you can kind of see them back there hanging, and we're headed to Miami to take advantage of that scenery and get some stuff down there.
Like out here. Okay, now go backwards. Yep. Keep your, no, just your body, your ass stays this way, your body is that way. Okay.
All right, let's see what we can get right here. So we are tucked in underneath this vegetation right here because it is currently raining, but we still want to try to get this city shot. It's a little bit of sky back there, but hopefully this rain passes. So let us have high hopes, okay? It's drizzling, but it's like light rain. So let's do it. But I guess I can show y'all one shooting against the building backdrop. So let's see. There we have it. Oh man. Hold on, y'all about to see like 50,000 YouTube videos come from right here. I'm not even lying to you all. Oh my goodness. This Airbnb is nice. I'm gonna give y'all a full tour right now.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
with T to the M to the I, D, D. And here we have a special guest. Who do we have right here?
The one and only, one of one, Promise Cross.
The one of one. And she is here to help with this. See, this is not the hot springs. This is T-Mid's Miami Springs.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Alright, so now just dropped off Promise. So now I'm headed down to Miami. Okay? We are headed back to Miami. Got some people in town, ironically, at the same time as T-Mid. So it should be an interesting night. We're gonna check out what's going on down there. I ain't taking it easy on this.
Alright.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Alright, you too. I know what you're thinking, but guess what? This is in 4K. And I'll do it again. For the nourishment of my body. About
oh no, when I say R5, I'm talking about
R3
I'm
Canon.
I'm talking about A7 R5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we got Sony, and then
Sony again. I mean, that's just what it is, man. It's the best thing. What you mean?
Nah, bro.
Nah, I
I
said
like
you
that.
fooled
That's the
you.
best thing.
Nah, man. Look,
He fooled you.
A7R3.
He said he fooled you, not
Right,
Fuji.
fooled you.
He fooled you.
Hey man, I'm candy, dog.
Nah, you got
Candy-
both. I don't know.
Candyland.
You got to choose a side. Who you with?
Yeah, nah, I can't
The
do
man
it.
playing both sides of the fence. He got the bread.
Can't do it.
I got too much on both sides of them. I ain't trying to give it away. Oh, the video? I shot with the Sony A7R4. Then
Okay.
I shot my photos with the
Smart man.
Canon R5.
Canon R5.
Yeah.
Those Leo images, man. So if y'all want to tap,
They all Leo.
Did you even
Follow this page.
look
yo.
at him on the computer yet?
Oh yeah, that's fire right
Yeah,
there.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right here, I flipped through this. You already, Town, what you showing? Me and Towns ended up shooting this one of the same models. I guess I got different types of angles than him.
What was the question again?
all right, I'm gonna just say it like this, man. We know Sony got the autofocus, Canon got the color space, but if you had to have somebody talk about Nikon and you had to settle, like, what do they do better than either one? Like, what's the selling point?
First, we're gonna talk about Nikon colors are king. Okay. Yeah, Nikon colors are king. Now the other selling point.
Now we trying to understand. 'Cause
never heard
he got a
that
smile
one
on his
before.
face, so I don't
We
trust
got,
nobody.
we got ergonomics. Now, y'all know these all Sony shooters in here.
Ask him what he's shooting on right now.
Plus you got
A hybrid shooter. You got
yeah, plus you got
mixed
Canon
shooter.
right there. I think that's gonna be the end of the night right there. T-Mid is tired. Hopefully my car's still out here. Because that would be tragic right there. So day 2, last day tomorrow. We gotta do some more work. Oh man, some more work. And I fly out tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. So we're gonna get it done. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog right here, Miami.